dito. Hanggang doon. Pasakal kami ng bus. Doon lang hanggang doon lang pala yung bus. Silakad lang. Hanggang doon. Oh, may problem. Sa loob, sa loob.
Si Gerald dati nakaling na rito eh.
Hindi pa siya.
Ha?
It's the forest.
Oh, what's that, Gerald? It's a building over there.
It's nice there.
Oh, what's this right here?
I don't know what it's there. If it's still open.
Oh, it's colder here. A while ago it's warm.
Layo ng mga kanila. Layo yung laban yun. May mga pakpak pa kami yung mga tao.
Trees here.
First timer. Saan yung powers?
It's a golf course.
Grabe sweet power sport card.
Hindi mo may nakwento kung ano nandito sa loob. Castle,
Kita mo lang dyan.
garden.
Garden.
Oh wow, this is like a
This
huge
is an
mansion.
This is an old building. Hindi mo tayo paparking. Ikot ba tayo?
Paano mo siyempre papasok ka sa loob, paano makita yun?
Let's talk.
Entrance.
Dublин's Q102.
Parking ano pala to eh.
Doon sa
No parking.
dyan. Ano ka ba? Yung parking nga. Doon
Parking.
nakalagay sa may parking space.
Oh, there they are. Stevens walking. The Irish girls.
Oh, they're too young. Those are girls, not women. Not a woman.
Oh, here. There's parking.